Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
So, students, today we will study about fruits.
Do you know that how astronauts grow fruit in spaceships?
Yes, Rahul, what are you saying? Ask to me.
So, students, take out your science book, chapter number 2. Chapter name is Fruits.
So, students, as you all know that nutritions are very important for us. Okay, so we get nutritions from fruits also, and we eat fruits, we all know. But how do astronauts get fruits? Because they travel in spaceships and it is not possible to carry or grow fruits in spaceships. Then how do they preserve food and they grow fruit? It is very important for us to know about it. So, if you are having any doubt, any question, then please ask, and after that we will continue our conversation. So, first question stands that how do astronauts carry food with them? So, the meals are stored in locker trays arranged in the order that the astronauts will eat them. Considering that a space mission can last months, foods can in space need to be designed and packaged to prevent spoilage. Because the space shuttle doesn't have a refrigerator, foods must stay fresh at ambient temperatures. So, students, this is the picture of locker trays. In this, foods are stored. Okay, there are several ways space food can be prepared. Okay, but it is not in the chapter, so I am only telling you to rehydratable or freeze dried foods. Okay, what is removed from the food during packaging? Soups, scrambled eggs, and breakfast cereals are all packaged in this way. Okay. Second one is intermediate moisture foods. Some water is removed from the food, but not all. Okay, dried peaches, pears, apricots are some examples of intermediate moisture foods. Okay. Okay, children. So I think that you have understood.
Ma'am, but I'm having one question.
So, ma'am, as you told that astronauts can also eat in spaceships. So, ma'am, I'm having one doubt that what means can we grow plants, ma'am? Like, can astronauts can grow plants or not in spaceships? Yes. I am clearing your doubt. So first, I want to say that in space, roots grow in every direction, and water and other essential plant foods float. Okay, astronauts glue seeds onto the wicking material directionally so that their roots will grow towards the bottom of the bag and the stems will grow outward. So we can say that they can grow foods in spaceships also. Okay? Rahul, why are you talking? What happened? I have
Ma'am,
seen
I was not
that you were
talking,
saying
ma'am.
something. What were you saying?
Ma'am,
You
I
should
was
ask
asking
me now.
you that
I'm your
how
teacher.
can we
Okay, vacuum
preserve
packing stores food in a vacuum
in
environment,
spaceships
usually in an
from
airtight
getting
bag or
spoiled?
bottle. Okay? The vacuum environment strips bacteria of oxygen needed for survival, thereby slowing spoiling. Vacuum packing is commonly used for storing nuts to reduce the loss of flavor from oxidation. Okay, so in this method we learned that how we preserve food from getting spoiled. Okay, don't cry. Okay, I'm
Ma'am,
going to
I want to
explain
ask that
only,
you
okay?
told us that how to preserve food spoilage in spaceships. But ma'am, how can we preserve food in Earth? What are the methods?
Foods get spoiled. In the same manner, fruits also get spoiled. Food gets spoiled because of microorganisms growing on it and due to moisture, light, temperature, and there are many things. Our work is that how can we preserve it from getting spoiled? If we will keep a fruit, for example, that I'm taking an apple and I don't want to eat, so I kept it on my table, and after that I went somewhere, and after 2 days I observed that it gets spoiled. So spoiled food we cannot consume, as we know. If what will happen if we will consume spoiled food, it will cause food poisoning. What is food poisoning? Microorganisms growing on food produce toxic substances. These make the food poisonous. Okay, and if you will consume such food, then it will cause food poisoning. The thing that we can do is that we can preserve fruits from getting spoiled. Then the question stands, how can we preserve? We can preserve fruits in the following ways. Number first option, plastic bags with tiny vents openings help keep fruit fresh. longer by releasing moisture. The second one is berries can last in the fridge for about a week. It means that if we want to consume berries after 1 week, then we can keep it in our fridge, and after that we can consume it after 1 week. And if we will not consume after 1 week, what will happen? Microorganisms will grow on it and it will get spoiled. Number third is most fresh fruit, including apples, berries, and grapes, will last longer if kept in their original packaging and stored in the center of your fridge. It means that if you have purchased any fruit and you have not opened it, then you can consume it after 1 week if you are storing this in your fridge. Okay, so these are some preservations you can do in earth. So we have completed our chapter, and tomorrow we will revise it again. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.